Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to only move one eye at a time. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm sorry about the weird camera angle, but I need you to see the underside of my eyes, and I tried to position my camera in my car where it made sense, so this is what you're gonna get. But it's actually really simple, really easy to do. This is what it's gonna look like when you only move one eye at a time. So I'm gonna start off by going cross-eyed over here, then I'm gonna move this eye, and this eye. Just like that, okay? Very simple. Now, hopefully you can see that. I can't see the screen when I'm doing it, right? But you know, I'm hoping that you can see it because hopefully it's on the screen. Let me see. Let me get my eyes positioned again one more time. And then we're going to go cross-eyed. Yeah, we're in the right spot. We're going to go cross-eyed, move that eye, and move that eye, just like that. Okay, very, very simple and easy to do. You want to go cross-eyed. So to do that, you just look at the center of your nose. So bring your eyes down. And I did a separate video on that, so be sure to check that out. But you're going to go cross-eyed by pointing your eyes downward. Basically, point your eyes downward and then try and look both of your eyes at the center of your nose. So look down and then at the center of your nose like that. Very simple. Once you are looking at the center of your nose, then essentially what you're going to do is just try, because we're looking at the center. So I'm going to try and look to the left. Now this eye is already looking to the left. When I want to look to my left, only this eye is going to move because this eye is already looking to the left. Then I'm going to go cross-eyed again, and then I'm going to look to my right. And because this eye is already looking to my right, only this eye moves. So you're going to go cross-eyed, then look to the left, and then cross-eyed again, look to the right. It's very simple. Sorry, the air is blowing right in my face. I'm going to turn this air down, and my contacts are drying out like within seconds. So I don't want them to pop out or fall out because then I can't drive home until I find my contact or I get my glasses from the back. I have a spare pair of glasses just in case. But anyways, very simple. Once again, we're going to go cross-eyed. We're going to look to my left, cross-eyed again, look to my right, cross-eyed again. Very simple. Once again, we're going to go cross-eyed by looking at the center of my nose. We're going to go look left, cross-eyed, right, cross-eyed. That's it. Now, hopefully you can see that. I can't see the viewfinder of the camera when I'm doing it. So I'm just hoping that you can see, but I'll go one more time like this. Cross-eyed, look left, cross-eyed, look right, cross-eyed. Left, cross-eyed, right, cross-eyed. Just like that. So you're cross-eyed, and then this eye's already looking to the left, so only this eye's going to look to the left, right? When you try and look left, cross-eyed again. And this eye's already looking to the right, so you're gonna just look right with one eye. Very simple. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.